Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the original silicone case for Samsung Galaxy A54. The cover is made of a very smooth and silky material, pleasant to the touch. It faithfully follows the shape of the phone and the cutouts are precise. The greatest quality of the cover is the precision with which it is manufactured. And the bad part is that this material is unfortunately like a magnet for textile threads or dust. It's quite easy to insert the phone into the case. First we insert the top part and then gently press the bottom part. The buttons work flawlessly. I like this. To remove it from the cover is not so easy. Gently press the two corners of the bottom cover until the phone comes out of the case. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, press the like and subscribe button. I wish you a good day.